everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Faith. Thank you so much for being here. As my returning subscribers would know, I am 3 months postpartum, so I have a new baby girl and it's awesome. Love being a mom, but I've kind of gotten in a rut of not taking care of myself, not putting my makeup on, not doing my hair, and just making myself feel a little bit better and just taking care of myself. So I figured I should do a little makeover on this mama, and I actually teamed up with another mama here on YouTube. I love her. Her name is Riley Jade. I've been following her for quite some time now, and we've become friends just through like Instagram DM messaging, but she is doing the exact same videos. So she's going to be doing a little mommy makeover on herself as well. I don't know all of like what she's including, but I know here for this video, I did a pedicure on myself, I did some self-tanning, I did teeth whitening, hair, makeup, a bunch of beauty things that just brought life back into me, and I figured you guys might want to see what products I use, some tips I have for just giving yourself a little bit of a makeover. But what is especially exciting about this collaboration is that Riley and I have teamed up to do a giveaway for one of our subscribers. So here you can see all of the goodies that you might win. I'm going to get into the details of how to enter, like what the rules are and everything at the end of the video, but wanted to let you guys know that there is a giveaway and show you guys exactly what you could win. If you are here from Riley's channel, I do want to say a special thank you, but now let's get right on into the mommy makeover. So first up, I wanted to tackle these feet, and I apologize in advance for having to show you this, but I really needed a pedicure. So I'm just using some pure acetone and my favorite cotton rounds from Glossier to remove my old pedicure, which was really old at this point, like it needed to go. And again, I didn't really think about the fact that my feet were going to be so up close and personal, so sorry if that's gross, but it is what it is. I wanted to try a new trend I've been seeing where you paint each toe a different color and then do them in like a different order on the other foot. I've seen it all over Instagram, all over Pinterest, more so with a manicure, but I wanted to try it in pedicure form. I honestly am not really sure how I feel about it. I don't know if I just picked not good colors, like a color scheme that didn't go well, if the colors were too bright, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you like this trend or not. I just am not really sure, but hey, I figured a pedicure is a lot less of a commitment than a manicure because you can always just like wear shoes that cover up your toes if you don't like it. So I wanted to give it a shot. I will list all of the nail colors that I'm using down below in the description bar, along with all of the other products that I'm using in today's video. But I'm using 3 colors from China Glaze, 1 from OPI, and then 1 color that's like so old. It's that like teal color. I'm not sure if I'll be able to find that color for you guys, but everything else will definitely be linked down below. I always use a top coat, and today I'm using this one from Emma. They are a 12-free brand, I think, so a lot of the toxins that are normally in nail polish, this Emma line does not have. So in case you're into stuff like that, I wanted to mention it. But yeah, I just did a little top coat, and that is the finished pedicure. Again, I'm not really sure how I feel about this, but hey, it was fun. Now moving into the rest of the makeover, and mama needs help. First, we're gonna freshen up the skin a little bit with this Caudalie Glycolic Peel Mask. This is one of my favorite skincare products of all time. I see an immediate difference and feel an immediate difference on my skin when I use this. So I put it in my trouble areas, and then you leave it on for 10 minutes. and wash it off. So while that is on there, I'm gonna do a little bit of a self-tan. This is the Loving Tan Deluxe Gradual Tanner. So it's not gonna be a super transformative tan. It's just going to add a little bit of color, a little bit of glow, and the more you use this, the more tan you will get. I just didn't have time to do a full bronzing mousse tanner that they have. I do have a tutorial on my channel using their mousse if you want to check that out, but today I just wanted to do a little bit of the gradual tanner, and I'm just using their mitt that they sell to apply this. There's a little bit of transfer at first, but once it sinks into the skin, there's no more transfer, and it doesn't stink like most gradual tanners. So I'm a big fan of the Loving Tan brand. Now I'm going to do some Crest white strips. This is what I have always used to whiten my teeth. I get asked all the time how I whiten my teeth, and I've always just used the Crest white strips. So while I do my makeup, I'm gonna let these sit on the teeth. So for makeup, I'm gonna start with the MAC Strobe Cream in Gold Light. Love this for a primer. It gives a really nice, healthy glow and also is really moisturizing. Then I'm gonna go in with the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. I love this. It's not too thick. It's perfect for summertime, but I think I'm even gonna use it into fall because I just really like it. It doesn't irritate my skin. It's the perfect amount of coverage and gives a little bit of glow. Next, for concealer, I'm going to use the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Avocado Concealer. I really like this. It's a little bit more light coverage than the Tarte Shape Tape, which I also love. I'm using the shade 1, which is the lightest shade. And I'm using a sponge from Ofra, in case you were wondering. I really love this sponge. It works super, super well. To set down the concealer, I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Those two colors there are my favorites. The white one, like the really bright one, I actually bought separately. I'll link it down below. It's awesome. Then to set the rest of the face down with a powder, I'm using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Powder. And for bronzer, I'm using the MAC Give Me Sun. I love this for summer especially. For blush, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury blush. This is a liquid blush. It's super glowy, love it. It just really brings life to the face. And then for brows, I use 3 products. This one is from Glossier. It is their brow pen. It's a new product from Glossier and I really like it. Then I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer to fill in the rest of my brows. And then I will use the Glossier Boy Brow to comb through my brows and set them down. I use the darkest shade in the Glossier products. And then for the L'Oreal Brow Stylist, I believe the shade is called Darkest Brown. For the eyes, I'm going to go back into the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and use one of the bronzy colors just in the crease. Really simple, nothing too much. I'm also going to use that white shade that I referenced earlier and put that on the lid just to brighten everything up. I really have been liking to use this matte white on the lid. It works super, super well. But to amp that up with some glow, I'm going in with this highlighter from Bare Minerals. It's so gorgeous. I believe the shade is called Free. It's just a really nice gold color. I'm going to take that on the lid and then also use it as a traditional highlight on the cheekbones and all of the high points of the face. Next, I'm going to do some eyeliner. I'm using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liquid Liner just to really emphasize the lash line. And then I'm going over that with an eyeshadow. This is from the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe. It's one of the dark brown shades. And I'm just using an eyeliner brush to go over that liquid liner and wing it out just a tad. This makes it look a little bit softer. I'm also going to use one of the light shimmery shades in that palette in my inner corner and also on my brow bone. Next up is mascara. I'm using the Glossier Lash Slick Mascara. I love this stuff, especially for the lower lashes. I also like to double up on mascara, so I'm using the Lancome Grandiose Extreme as well. But at this point, I really needed to get these Crest white strips off. So I had to go get those off, and now we're ready to do lips. So first, I'm going to line my lips with the NYX Slim Lip Pencil in Natural. Most days, this is all I use, and I get asked all the time what lip color I use, so that's it. But today, I wanted to amp it up with a matte lip color, perfect for fall. This one's from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I love the color. I believe it's called Naked. I will link it down below, of course. But I just applied a thin layer of that, and then I'm going to set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is my favorite setting spray. It works so good. Now to tackle the hair, I'm first going to add some dry shampoo. This is from the Not Your Mother's brand. I really like it. It doesn't leave a residue or anything, and it's so affordable, so that's a plus. I'm going to be using my NuMe curling wand. Love this wand. It's the one that has like interchangeable barrels. It's awesome. I've had it for years and it still works amazing. I curl the hair away from my face and I take big chunks. It's really, really simple. It doesn't take too much time. I always feel so much better when I actually do my hair. It's just the one thing that really, really makes me feel like I've put myself together for the day. So I'm gonna finish the other side and then spritz some hairspray. This one's from, I cannot pronounce this, Amera or something. I'm not totally sure. Now I'm just gonna get out of this hoodie, add another layer of jewelry. These are from Miranda Fry. I love these necklaces. And this is the finished look. This is my makeover. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Now let me tell you all about this giveaway and how to enter. So what you have to do is subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and subscribe to Riley's channel. Her video and channel will be linked down below in the description bar, so it's easy for you to access. After you subscribe, make sure to like both of our videos and comment down below on both of our videos. One comment will do, multiple comments won't count. And also, if you leave your Instagram handle, that is really helpful for us to track you down with. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and best of luck to you on the giveaway. I will leave all of the details in the description bar down below, as well as when this giveaway ends, so that you can keep an eye out to find out who won. I love you guys all so, so much. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.